Here in New York, my viewers in the Midwest are already buried under an ice storm of biblical proportions. If there was ice in the Bible, we'll check on that. I assume this has already reduced Wisconsin to a post-apocalyptic cannibal subculture. Go Packers! Meanwhile, the news continues to focus on a country of biblical proportions, Egypt, where today 2 million people poured into Cairo's Tahrir Square to go to Hardee's.
Badass blizzard, 2011.
The curly fries.
It's 1:05 a.m. Wednesday morning. Stephen Colbert said the Midwest has been hit by the blizzard. I just took a walk downtown.
Calling for the
whiteout, 90-mile-an-hour winds. It's not good.